Assalam O Alikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're all fine, good, cool, and having chill. If you guys are new here, so please subscribe to the channel right now for getting my more tutorials and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. And for purchasing any kind of turban or shima, you guys can contact to my own brand AD. The WhatsApp number is given in the description. We deliver in all over the world. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie a beautiful black turban that I'm tying right now. So let's see how can you tie this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, so give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below because I'm just waiting for your comments. And Allah Hafiz till my next video.